when it comes to your child, there is nothing you won't do, nothing you won't become to protect them. You'll see.
Don't mistake the professionalism I showed you today for weakness. Loving your son doesn't excuse you from the crimes you committed. You come back to LA when there's a charge in your head? Put the cuffs on myself.
I would expect nothing less.
That's not what I want.
That's fine. Go. Done with my spring onions after 9 hours. Yeah, yun na lang siya. So, ito na yung 6 trays ng spring onions. This is a 1 liter mason jar. And 2 cups ng measuring cup. This one, iba-vacuum seal ko. And this one, gagawin ko siyang powder. You done with that, girls?
No.
Grabe yung crunchy, oh. Yung pagka-crunchy.
You done? I just stopped.
Yay! Okay na. Ito na lang yung 2 cups ng spring onions. Ito na lang yung 2 cups of spring onions. Yep. 2 cups to. Almost 1/2 cup na lang. Okay, so ito na yung 6 trays ng dehydrated kong spring onions. Dito ko muna nilagay itong isa kasi naubusan ako ng maliit na mason jar. So, ito muna siya. Ito is ilalagay ko na dun sa ilalim ng hagdan. And ito, this will stay here in the pantry. Tawag dito. Kailangan pa nito dapat ng conditioning. Conditioning for 5 to 7 days. Pero, dahil sure ako na natanggal na lahat ng moisture dito, pwede na siyang hindi condition and diretso na sa pagtatabi. Ayan. So, ayun lang.